Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see about a super minimal Android launcher setup like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Download the Highland Launcher home screen application from the Play Store first, and you can find a super Eddish theme. In the top, you can find a super Eddish theme wallpaper, and bottom you can find a date, time, widget, and also battery percentage, and also Google search widget. And every app icon has been turned into the blue, red, white themed. And the second page you can followed by the same icon pack, which is so reddish and also mixed with the black and white themed, which is super beautiful and wonderful. The red and white theme which highlight the icons on the phone, which look really minimal. And you go to the setting option and just need to select the theme number 7 and just click on the apply the theme so you can get the exact theme setup. And you have other more options like changing the weather and also the desktop settings. Everything can be changed on the settings. And this is the app drawer. You can just easily swipe and you can just set the apps you just needed. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.